Hello, yogis. Okay, so today is a little less yoga and just a little bit more tutorial surrounding crow pose. So, okay, literally every time I start to make a video, Emmy starts going crazy. So, I apologize. Emmy, you're gonna get into my phone. You can't see her completely in the shot, but she's there in the corner. Okay. So, we're going to do our pose tutorial. No more wasting any time. Let's get right into it, okay? So, assuming that you've already warmed up with some salutations, let's go ahead and hop right into a little yogi squat to open the hips, bring the arms to the outside with the legs. This is one way that I really like to start to get into crow. Take your hands out in front of you and it's a common misconception that your knees come onto your elbows during crow. They're a little bit higher up and actually on the triceps. And you want to try to really keep the legs inside the arms as much as possible. I don't mean in between, but I mean actually like on the entirety of the arm rather than the knees hanging out. So this is not a good crow. Okay, that's not going to be good for you, and that might be where a lot of people are at the very beginning of crow. To properly execute a crow, you want your arms out in front of you, and you want to start to train your knees to aim for the armpits. Maybe then you can start to move forward and lift up one toe, and maybe the other. And maybe you start to do some little tap drills where you come forward, weight into the arms, and then come back into the arms. Now, whenever you feel like you're ready to start to float off of the ground, and it's not perfect every time, and if I fall out of this, well, you know, that just shows me you're not all perfect all the time. So, aim your knees for your armpits. You may need to take some self-adjustments a little bit, kind of figure out your body here. Take a breath in and then exhale. Belly into the spine, lift the throat off the mat and start to straighten through the arms. Now, my knees were coming outside of my triceps, but they were high up on my arms, and I had my shins on my triceps. From the side, let me show you. So, and I'm not saying that my crow is perfect, but I want you to understand the dynamics of it, and that you have to aim for the armpits more so than the knees. So you are here in our spot. I would like to start with my feet together to bring the knees open, but you want to come up, bring your knees in toward your armpits. This is a good starting place. Grip in with the fingertips, not quite the palms of the hands, and make a little shelf with your arms, just like a chaturanga, and hold. The weight is kind of coming forward. It might feel like you're going to fall. Trust your body. And then whenever you're ready, you can come back down. So to get up there, you have to take a big exhale and pull it in. So let's do Uddiyana Bandha a little bit. Uddiyana Bandha is your belly. It's a stomach lock. You're pulling the organs up and in. And I say pulling like that because I really was bringing it all up and in. So you take a big exhale. And you pull everything up and in. Mine's probably not going to go very far because I did just eat a little bit ago. So everything's kind of just pulled up and in. And having that upward motion of the organs then helps the body to travel up. And whenever you're doing crow, you really want to think about up. So you want to think about getting the body up. Okay? Emmy, you want to come be in the video? Yeah. Okay, come here. You want to get him on his back? Come here, get on my back. Get on my back. Come here. My other two kids like to get on my back. Oh, cool. Okay, so we had a little break there with Crow. Maybe whenever you're taking a break, maybe come and do some cat and cow, okay? So whenever you go into cow pose, pull the belly and think again about traveling upward, and then let's hold cow pose. Let's hold that curvature, and then drop back and forth in the arm. Open up the upper back. This should feel pretty good. Whenever you come toward the fingertips, oh, open up that upper back. And make more noises if you want to. That's perfectly fine. Take a second forward and go, ooh, and then take it back. Oh, those big shoulders feel so good. Thumb rollers are great too, but okay, go on. Okay, so let's work on our core strength. So tap the knees to the triceps here. We're moving back and forth, and we're tapping the knees up to the triceps. This is gonna help with crow. Knees up as high as you can get them whenever we tap up. Whew. So crow is just as much about core strength as it is about arm strength. Get it up there. Okay? And then maybe we're ready to try again. So let's hop our feet in and hold this little starting position here with the knees coming in toward the armpit. Roll forward and rest the knees into the triceps. Press up and away from the ground and pull your belly up and in. That's crow. Give it a few tries. Warm up the core. And maybe come back to this video if you want to. Let me know if there's any other tips that you need to know. Maybe I can try to do another one without little miss running around. But yeah, give it a try. Try to incorporate in a flow if you want. Yeah. All right. Happy floating and arm balancing, my friends. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.